Hey, defective unit! Get a load of this!
I see you over there.
What the heck is that?
Well, looks like someone's in trouble.
Is someone in here? Show yourself. Oh my god, I think someone's messing with me. I have no idea what's going on. Ah, what happened? The heck was that? What was that explosion? It's so loud. What? Seriously, if people are gonna mess with me like this, this is no point of me doing this war thing. Ah!
Don't shoot. He's part of us.
Alright,
Can literally any of you guys explain what the heck?
well, there was basically a big explosion and robots were attacking us.
Why do people don't take me that serious?
Yeah, now we need to find the other teams.
Guys, we can't do this anymore. We need to bail now. And also, I'm all out of ammo. And what the hell that thing is up there?